Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I'd like to show you my sheet load of cards for March 2021. The sheet load of cards is the brainchild of Alicia from Call Me Crafty Al. Each month she develops a card sketch and also a supply list and gives you instructions on how to make this. For more information, go ahead and check out her YouTube channel, and she'll give you instructions on how you can download the March 2020 sketch and supply list if you're a subscriber to her channel. So I'm going to show you what I made, and I also had packaged up half of the yield this month and put in a little box. And I'll give instructions on how to make that box in a video coming up on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe so you know how to do this. So the yield this month was 2 cards, and we used 2 sheets of pattern paper. Now, the pattern paper I used, this is the front and back. The front, I guess the A side is with the succulents, and the B side is with the polka dot. So I had the 2 sheets in my stash. I also had these stickers that I got, which are 3-dimensional, and I thought they just made a really nice card. Now the sentiments on here are from another video from Alicia of Call Me Crafty Al. It's the video where she shares sentiments with us. So I would go ahead and check that out, which I'll link in the description box as well. And instead of cutting it in a rectangle, obviously I did use a circle punch, and I had a larger circle die that I used for this. Now I did not have the paper edger in her diagram. She shows the scalloped edge here. I don't have any edge punches, and I don't even have any of those scissors that I used to have a billion of that I could have used. So don't throw those out. But in this case, I used ribbon, and I think it worked just as well. I also made a change by using a white border around here instead of just putting them directly onto the card base, because since I used the ribbon, I needed to put it around the back of the different papers. So I decided to add this white border, and I like it. I mean, there's white here. It all goes well. So, and I also, something different I did is instead of putting anything inside, I stamped in black just some cute little succulents. I didn't do that to all of them, but I did stamp 3 different kinds. And here's the 3rd kind. So that is what I made for you today. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out all of the other people on Alicia's design team and see what they made using this same card sketch. And I challenge you to go ahead and do it yourself. This is a real simple one this month, just using 2 sheets of pattern paper. It's easy schmeezy. I bet you can make some fabulous cards. So again, that's what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.